So preparing to just clean these. We've cleaned them in baking soda and boiling water for 30 minutes. We bubbled it up and we put it on the pan. Now we're going to spray them with chrome. Let's see how that works out. So we've bought this chrome finish from Wilkinson for £9. We want it to be that colour because all of our decor is this colour. So we're just taking the doorknobs out to spray them again. And we're just going to figure it out, see if they spray, and I'll let you know. So the hinges are outside now. We've brought them outside. He wants these silver, so we've screwed them in, drilled them in. So we know it works.
Okay,
Look at that. Okay, I think I need these ones. I need to go that way.